Using an Ethernet cable, connect the Wi-Fi service tool to the SmartVap Plus controller. Using the power button, turn on the service tool. The unit may take a few moments to fully boot up. To connect to the Wi-Fi service tool, click the wireless connection icon, typically found in the bottom right-hand corner of the computer screen or in the Wi-Fi network settings of a smartphone. Select the KE2 Wi-Fi ST wireless network and connect. Once connected to the device, launch the browser of your preference. Enter one of the addresses shown on the screen and enter into the address bar of the browser and then press enter. You will see a list of connected controllers. Click on the SmartVap Plus controller you've just connected. The SmartVap Plus controller homepage will be displayed. If you want to make any changes to passwords or unit settings, you must first log into the dashboard. If this is the first time using the controller, you'll use the defaults. Otherwise, use the username and password you set earlier or were supplied. For more information, visit the SmartVap Plus support page on the Bally website at b-rp.ca/svp.